Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Quantum Cubing. Today I'm gonna rate WCA events. Okay, let's start with tree by tree. Where's tree by tree? Found it. Tree by tree is S. It's obviously S tier. So yeah, it's like so iconic. Two by two, maybe B tier is okay because it's not that iconic and it's too easy. I love Pyrmix. I'm gonna keep it an A. Tree by tree blindfolded. Now wait. Now, how about what should we do next? Okay, tree by tree, one handed. Let's give it over pyramids, better than pyramids, I guess. Then, how about 4 by 4 in A, but less than pyramids because the parodies annoy me a lot. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna keep one handed next to the tree by tree, iconic tree by tree. Okay, what's next? So, how about square one? It's kinda hard. Let's keep it on B for now. Just for now. And clock. Clock is an amazing cube. Should we keep it over here or here? Mm, let's keep it above 2 by 2. And square one, you're kinda hard. So C. Cube. I love cube. I'm gonna keep it. How about just above? No. Yeah, like this. In the middle of pyramids and 4 by 4. Okay, Mega Mix. Mega Mix, I love it a lot. But not as a 3 by 3 though. It's the best. The best. Okay. What do we got here? One, two, three, four, five. It's 5 by 5. 5 by 5? Here, I guess. Okay. Now I don't know any of these cubes. So let's just keep him FMC. Okay, FMC. It's good, but it takes a hour. So how about yeah, like this? Okay. Blindfolded. Wait, blindfolded. Where should we keep the blindfolded now? Mm, yeah, here. Okay, 4 by 4 blindfolded. I really don't know its card. Just keep it over. Uh, hmm, just keep it like this. 2. I don't know this, but it's very interesting. So C again. Okay. What do we got here? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. A 7 by 7. That's the hardest cube. Like the 6. 6 by 6? Just over here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone and don't remember to subscribe to the channel right now. Bye.